Alright, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. We're on a mission today. We gotta put this we gotta get this here thing put together, and I got my partner in crime and golf partner with me to give me a hand, and then we're off to the golf course. So we're gonna set up a time lapse, and you're gonna see us put this crazy hydraulic press together, and then off to the golf course we go. Here's the time lapse. All right, scrappers, there it is. It's she's put together. It's gonna have some more tweaking to do on it, and yeah, I'm gonna have to get a chair to sit in to crank these down, because yeah, it's shorter than I thought it would be. Either that or I have to build up some kind of a box to set it on, and yeah, we'll go from there. But thanks for watching, and watch one of the cool videos that's on screen right now.